some of them.
How do I know he used the split? Yes. When you do the split, Supermemo applies this. The name of the parent, space, colon, space, and the text. And in this, it's hard-coded. It has to be this color. You cannot change that. At least at the beginning, it's applied in blue. It doesn't have this. Let me see the previous one. No. If he will check one of the first elements in the browser window, we won't see this title. That will mean that it was a manual extract. Look at the extracts I did. They have nothing in blue, right? I will just do dummy because I don't want to spend that much time. Now I apply Shift Alt H, then Control Enter to summon the commander, SP to filter the split, and just this, the defaults. Do you see now it's just a title? In my case, the title is just Summerhill. I didn't put the full title of the book. So that's how you know that, hey, this has been a split. It has not been a split.